Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis. Today, we're diving into one of the best dark chocolate baking chips on the market, Lily's Sweets Dark Chocolate Baking Chips. First off, if you're a fan of baking or simply love indulging in rich, dark chocolate treats, then these chips are an absolute must-try. Lily's Sweets is renowned for its commitment to quality, and these baking chips are no exception. These chips are not only delicious but also cater to various dietary preferences. They're gluten-free, vegan-friendly, and packed with flavor. Perfect for those who want to enjoy guilt-free baking. Now, let's talk about the taste. These dark chocolate chips melt beautifully in your mouth and add a rich, decadent flavor to any recipe. Whether you're baking cookies, brownies, or even adding them to your morning oatmeal, they deliver that perfect chocolatey goodness. What's inside matters too. Lily's Sweets uses premium ingredients without any added sugars. Each serving gives you just the right balance of sweetness and dark chocolate intensity. So, if you're looking to elevate your baking game with premium dark chocolate chips that are good for you and taste amazing, Lily's Sweets Dark Chocolate Baking Chips are a top-notch choice. They live up to the hype and are definitely worth trying out. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we critique so you don't have to.